The alarm has been ringing for 5 minutes.
Just a little longer, please.
No way. It's already 7 o'clock.
Really? I feel so tired today.
Don't forget, you have work this morning.
Right, I almost forgot. Okay, I'm getting up.
Good. Your coffee is on the desk.
You made coffee? You're the best.
What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes.
We don't have milk.
Oh, no. Then what can we eat?
Eggs and bread are fine.
Perfect. I'll cook the eggs, you toast the bread.
Deal. Where's your phone?
Not in my pocket. Did you see it?
Check the nightstand.
Here it is. I lose it every day.
Yes, and I always find it for you. The bread smells good in the toaster.
And the eggs are almost ready. Do you want them scrambled or fried?
Scrambled, please. Easier to eat.
Done. 2 plates coming up.
Thanks. Do you want coffee or tea this morning?
Coffee, of course. It helps me wake up.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Perfect. This is exactly what I needed.
We should shop later. The fridge looks empty.
True. After work, let's stop by the supermarket.
Good idea. For now, let's enjoy breakfast.
Agreed. Nothing better than eggs and toast to start the day.
The bus stop looks quiet this morning.
Yes, maybe we're a little early. What time is it?
It's 9:15. Do you know when the next bus comes?
Usually every 15 minutes. So the next one should be around 9:30.
Great. Which bus goes downtown again?
Bus number 23. Just make sure we stand near the signs so the driver can see us.
Got it. Do we need tickets in advance?
No, we can pay on the bus, but you need exact change.
I think I have some coins. How much is it?
$2.51 one way. Don't lose your wallet this time.
Hey, that was only once. I was distracted.
Still, keep it safe.
All right. How long is the ride?
About 20 minutes. Not too bad.
Good. That gives us time to relax before work.
Yes, or maybe review some English words.
You never stop studying, do you?
Nope. Practice makes perfect.
Fair enough. Look, the bus is coming now.
Perfect timing. Let's get in line. Finally, we found 2 seats together.
Lucky us. The bus is filling up quickly.
Sit by the window. You like looking outside, right?
Thanks. The city always looks different from the bus.
True. You notice small details. Shops, people, even the street art.
Speaking of people, I saw a man carrying a guitar just now. Made me think. Do you still play piano?
A little, not as often as before, but I miss it.
You should practice again. Music helps you relax.
Maybe. And what about you? Still reading crime novels?
Yes, I finished one last night. Couldn't sleep until I knew the ending.
That's so typical of you. Always curious.
Well, curiosity keeps life interesting. By the way, do you want to grab coffee after class today?
Sure, but only if you help me review some English phrases.
Deal. Coffee and English practice. It's our tradition now.
Sounds perfect. Oh, we just passed the library.
Already? That means downtown is close.
Yes, only a few more stops. Get your coins ready.
Don't worry. I'm ready this time. This table by the window looks perfect.
Yes, plenty of sunlight. I'll order 2 cappuccinos.
Make mine extra hot, please.
Got it. Returns with drinks. Here you go.
Thanks. So, are you ready for today's English review?
Always. Let's start with simple questions. Ask me anything.
All right. What did you eat for breakfast?
Eggs and toast, of course. Easy question. Now my turn. What time does your work finish today?
At 5. Then maybe we can shop together.
Perfect. I need milk and fruit anyway.
Good practice. You're improving quickly.
Thanks. Daily conversations like this really help.
Exactly. That's why I enjoy our coffee breaks.
Me too. Good coffee, good company, and free English lessons. Look, here's the bread section. Which one do you want?
The whole wheat looks good. How much is it?
$3.50. The white bread is cheaper. $2.99.
Let's take the whole wheat. It's healthier.
Agreed. Now, where's the milk?
Right next to the yogurt. Do you want full fat or low fat?
Low fat is fine. How much?
$4.25 for a gallon.
Not bad. Put one in the basket.
Done. Should we grab some eggs too?
Yes, they're on sale today. $3.99 for a dozen.
Perfect. That's breakfast for the week.
Exactly. Okay, we have bread, milk, and eggs. Anything else?
Maybe some fruit later. But let's keep it simple for now.
All right. Then checkout is at the front.
Great. I'll carry the basket.
Thank you.
Grocery shopping with you is always easy.
This rack has some nice shirts. Do you need a new one for work?
Yes, most of mine are getting old. What do you think about this blue one?
The color suits you. Check the size.
Medium. That's mine. How much is it?
$35. Not cheap.
True. Is there anything on sale?
Look, this white one is $25. Still clean and simple.
I like the blue one better, but the white is practical.
Exactly. White goes with everything.
Good point. I'll take the white shirt then.
Great choice. Let's grab it and head to the counter.
Do they take cards?
Of course. Just be quick. The line is short now.
All right. One white shirt, size medium. Done.
Perfect. Now you're ready for meetings and classes.
Thanks for helping me choose. You always know what works best.
You look nervous.
I am. I've never opened a bank account before.
Relax. It's simple. You just need your passport and some cash.
I brought both. Do you think I'll mess up the form?
Not if you take your time. Write your name, address, and phone number. Easy.
Easy for you, maybe. My handwriting is terrible.
Smiles. Don't worry, I'll check it for you.
Thanks. After this, I'll finally get a debit card.
And you can pay without carrying so many coins.
True. That'll make life so much easier.
See? Nothing to be nervous about.
You're right. With you here, I feel more confident.
Good. Now let's finish quickly so we can enjoy the evening. This lobby feels cozy.
Yes, much nicer than I expected.
Do you think our room is ready?
I'm sure it is. Let's head upstairs and check.
3rd floor, right?
Exactly. Room 304. I'll use the key card.
Perfect. I just hope the Wi-Fi works well.
Don't worry. We'll test it as soon as we settle in.
And tomorrow morning, let's not miss breakfast.
7 to 10. I remember.
Good. Now, let's finally rest. Your tooth still hurts, doesn't it?
A little. I really should book that appointment.
Then do it now. You always delay.
All right. Let's set it for Tuesday at 10.
Good choice. I'll remind you the day before.
Thanks. You always keep me on track.
That's what I'm here for.
Honestly, I feel better just knowing it's planned.
See? Simple things make a big difference. Look at this one. The design is slim and modern.
True. And the price isn't bad either.
Do you think it will handle your work?
Yes. I only need documents, email, and video calls.
Then it's perfect. Long battery life, too.
I agree. I'll take it.
Finally, no more complaining about your old laptop.
You're right. This will make my life easier.
And mine, because I won't hear you grumble anymore.
Deal. Let's bring this new friend home.
Saturday is coming soon. Do you want to go out?
Definitely. How about our favorite coffee shop?
At 3 in the afternoon?
Perfect time. Quiet, but not empty.
And you can bring your new laptop to show me some lessons.
Of course. Coffee, conversation, and English practice.
That sounds like the perfect weekend plan.
With you, every plan feels perfect.
Smiles. Then it's a date.